hey, let me show you first setup of a Redmi 14C. This one actually comes from European distribution. So first of all, when you turn on this phone by using this power button, you will get the Xiaomi HyperOS screen. So you will have to click on this arrow. Now you will have to select language. So by scrolling, you can actually pick any language that you want. And right now we can even increase the text size right now, so everything will be better visible for you. As you can see, I'm gonna actually increase. There we go. Now click on this arrow to go forward, and here you will have to choose your region. So I'm gonna stay with the Poland as default. Click on the arrow. Now we got terms and conditions, so we have to just scroll, click that we read and agree to the user agreement and policy. Click on the arrow, and now we have to input the SIM card. So this slot is located right here on the left upper corner. You will have to input this SIM tool right here, press, now remove SIM tool, grab your SIM tray, gently try to take it off. And as you can see right here, we can find slot for 2 SIM cards. So that's great extension. And that's how we can actually put them. That's how we can apply one of the SIM card, and this is this card with a nano size, so the smallest one. And now you'll have to put them back like that. There we go. And then click on this arrow again. Now we can simply connect into the Wi-Fi network, and to do this you can just simply click on the Wi-Fi name, click right here, and when you click on the advanced options, you can also set the privacy if you want. There we go. If you click on this arrow, then you will get information about the Wi-Fi technology. If you are connected with your Wi-Fi, then you can click right here. But in my case, I'm gonna skip. I don't want to be connected to the Wi-Fi because I want to quickly set up this phone. Right here, we can enable this location, enable scanning, but you can actually unselect this one to don't send usage and diagnostic data. Then click to accept. Now you are able to set your screen lock, so you can use simple pattern, fingerprint, face unlock. Let's put this simple screen, and I would like to get pattern, for example. Now we have to click get it on the right bottom corner. There we go. Now input your screen lock and do this one more time. Click on this arrow. Right now it's getting the phone ready. Here we got the basic settings, like the location, diagnostic data, automatic system updates, personalized ads, user experience program. So if you want to unselect something, then you can do this by clicking on the switcher, but in my case, I'm gonna leave everything enabled. Click here to continue. Now we can turn on the parental controls if you purchase this device for your child. Then click here. I'm not gonna do this because this is just my phone. And right here, we can even change the font type. I would actually get the Mi Sans. Click here, and now you can set up your lock screen. So basically, you can enable wallpaper carousel. It will actually refresh your wallpaper every time you are gonna unlock your phone. I'm not gonna do this because it's actually draining the battery, so I'm gonna click skip. And here you can choose if you want to get all apps on your home screen, or for example, use app drawer. Next, we got the information about Xiaomi HyperOS system, and right now it's actually preparing the system, and that's basically how it looks. That's how we can go through the first setup of your Redmi 14C. Right now, please subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos.